We now take a look at beams. This dialog will allow for the design of multi-span concrete beams. In the tab System, the geometry can be checked as well as the corresponding cross-sections. For beams, a design group defines a continuous design object. The various elements of the group are therefore listed here, as well as their corresponding cross-sections. For the same reasons, it is crucial to only select elements connected to each other. Similarly to columns, the model and forces will be taken over from the analysis results. A symbolic representation can be displayed, for which the support's properties can be adjusted. Please note that the addition or removal of supports will not impact the distribution of forces. These properties only impact design factors taken into account for each type of support. In the other table, we can set the position at which the software will print the calculation details for later control and documentation. We then look at the ULS and the SLS verifications. In the tab Design, the parameters for the bending design can be adjusted, for instance, whether we account for lateral bending and how moments will be smoothened at supports. The SLS design will be set in the tab Serviceability Check. There, the focus will be on deformations and, for instance, whether creep should be accounted for, and the general parameters for crack verification.